Magandang araw mga kaibigan. I-shout out ko ulit ang aking mga kaibigang researchers si Yodora at Chris Torres. Ito, pinadalhan nila ako ng resibo. Naglabas ng resibo si Congressman Leandro Barsaga, yung kanyang solar power project with Meralco. Nako, si Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa launching ceremony ng project, ipinagmamayabang niya ang proyektong ito. Ngayon, ginigipit na. Bakit? Dahil ba sa Cabral Files? Pakinggan natin ito ha. Resibong inilabas ni Congressman Libeste. Yan, nandyan si Libeste, yung naka-black.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we take a leap towards the future, driven by innovation and sustained by our collective hope for a cleaner and greener Philippines. We stand together at the site of what will become the largest integrated solar and battery storage facility in the world, the Terra Solar Project. This landmark project will put our country on the map as a leader in renewable energy. To Meralco, Terra Solar Philippines Inc., Solar Philippines New Energy Corporation, MGen Renewable Energy Inc., and other partners behind these projects. Your efforts have shown that we can forge ahead as key players in the world's energy revolution. The Terra Solar Power Project is designed to address two critical challenges of our time: the surging demand for electricity and the pressing need to shift to renewable and sustainable sources of that energy. With an investment of over 200 billion pesos, this demonstrates confidence in the stakeholders in our nation's potential and our commitment to securing a stable, steady, reliable, and sustainable power supply. Once fully operational by 2027, this facility will deliver 3,500 megawatts peak of solar power to the Luzon grid, with 4,500 megawatt hour of battery energy storage. A 13-kilometer, 500 kilovolt transmission line will connect this project to the power grid, ensuring that clean energy reaches Filipino homes and businesses with efficiency. This project will energize over 2 million households and reduce carbon emissions by more than 4.3 million metric tons annually. To put that into perspective, it is the equivalent of removing 3 million gasoline-powered cars from our roads. Decisive action towards helping address global warming and climate change. By leveraging our abundant solar resources, the Terra Solar Project will help stabilize our power supply, reduce energy costs, and contribute significantly to our target of 35% renewable energy share in the power generation mix by the year 2030. This initiative will also benefit the communities that host it, spanning 5 municipalities across Nueva Ecija and Bulacan. It is estimated that the project will create over 10,000 jobs. Certainly, it will stimulate local economies and open countless opportunities for growth and development in those communities. Over the next decade, it is poised to generate nearly 23 billion pesos in financial benefits, resources that will pave the way for even greater progress. The impacts and advancements of this project are amongst those that we envisioned when I spoke about energy in my recent State of the Nation address. We are working towards a steady and reliable power supply that will meet the demands of today and continuously fuel our ambitions for tomorrow. Projects like Terra Solar bring us closer to that vision. I call on all the government agencies, national, local, and private sector entities to fully support this endeavor by ensuring its timely completion. Let us do the same for all renewable projects. From powering our homes and industries to illuminating our collective aspirations, let this serve as a reminder. When we come together, united in purpose and action, there is no task too daunting, no challenge too great, and no goal beyond our reach. The strong typhoons that we have been experiencing should further strengthen our resolve to find and facilitate solutions that will save our planet and the future of mankind. I hope that beyond the technical and economic milestones brought about by this project, let us remember the broader goal that drives us. It is a bagong Pilipinas, where our needs are met responsibly, equitably, and sustainably. Let us ensure that Terra Solar becomes a beacon of hope and progress, a testament to what we can achieve when we protect and preserve our natural resources while drawing strength from its abundance. Together, let us create a brighter, more inclusive, more sustainable future for all Filipinos. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay.
Yun. You see, pinapasalamatan niya ang Meralco at ang kumpanya ni Congressman Barsaga. I believe this is early January of 2025. So, hindi pa nag-divest, hindi pa pumasok sa politika si Congressman Barsaga. Kasama pa siya kasi kasama siya doon sa yung naka-itim na suit, siya yun. So, I'm not sure kung itong project na ito ba yung kinansila ang kontrata o iba pa? Kasi maraming mga kumpanyang Basta, ito po yung integrated solar farm with battery storage. Considered the largest in the world kung makumpleto. Ang partnership nito is yung MGen o Meralco, General Power Corporation, at saka yung dating kumpanya ni Congressman Libeste, na ngayon, nag-divest na siya. Yung shares niya doon sa mga kumpanya, ibinenta niya, so wala na siyang pakialam doon. Ito ngayon, yung pinag-iinitan, I don't know kung ano bang kontrata yung kinansila ng Department of Energy at minumulta kunuhay, planong multahin ng 24 billion. So, yun na po. Kung sino pa yung kongresista na ramdam natin na may malasakit sa taong bayan, lumalaban sa korupsyon, siya ngayon ang ginigipit. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin niyo ang video nito.
Karon si Lola mo ni ang mataga ano gyero.
Sa Ginoo.
Si Lola, mataga ano gyero. So si Lola mo nga buslot na ang iyang balay. So gipang sapahan na lang og karton or guba nga yero. Ang gipang sapa kay kung muulan, tuluan na daw kayo. So guba na gid kay ang yero ni Lola. So karon Lola, pila na ni katuig ang imong balay?
20.
So 20 years na ang balay ni Lola. So pila na imong edad Lola?
72.
72. So na kay anak Lola?
Oh, anak man ako ang asawa ani.
Si Lola, mga minyo nang yang mga anak. O napakay ba na la?
Namatay na.
So balo na si Lola. So
May-
tabangan na lang siya sa iyang anak sa pag-atop sa iyang balay.
Sa ida din human na.
So 13 years na daw ang iyang bana nga nawala. So balo na si Lola. So iyang anak lang ang mag-atop sa iyang yero nga kuba na kayo, so luoy kayo si Lola. So kinsa imong ipaatop Lola?
Si William.
So iyang anak ang ipaatop.
Salamat sa Ginoo kay tagaan ko sin makaatop ko.
Sige Lola.
Salamat sa Ginoo kay sin naot ko nga daghang pang mga tabanan.
Sige Lola.
Salamat sa tabang di pag ko makatok. Daghan salamat.
Sige Lola, salamat po kaayo.